Good day everyone! Today I am going to teach you on how to create polls in Messenger. Go to the Messenger and select the group chat of the respondents you want to answer your poll, and then select the 4 dots on the left button of your Messenger. Then click the polls and type your question on what's your poll about. Say for example, are we going out today? Then add options if it is yes or no. Click options. And then create poll. The poll now will appear on the group chat and the respondents can now select their answer.